You know what's wild? Most people are broke, and it's not because of their paycheck. It's because of what's in their hand right now.
You talk about this little cutie. Mason, don't come for my bubble tea. She's emotional support.
Emotional support or financial sabotage.
Sabotage. Mason, it's $9 joy. That's cheaper than therapy and gaslighting combined.
Let's do the math. $9 a day, 5 days a week, that's $45 a week. Multiply that by 52 weeks, that's $2,340 a year.
I spent a MacBook on milk tea. Mason, why would you say that while I'm mid-sip?
Because nobody's going to tell you this at the drive-thru window. It's not just the cost, it's the habit. You're paying for energy crashes, brain fog, and fake happiness. And according to Lending Club, nearly 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even those earning over $100,000 a year. That $9 trap, it's universal.
First of all, rude. Second of all, keep going.
These aren't just small treats, they're rituals of sabotage. The sugar, it wrecks your focus. That fog you feel, that's not vibes, that's insulin. And a CDC report shows over 1 in 3 US adults have pre-diabetes. Most don't even know it. A lot of it starts with daily decisions like this.
Wait, so my cinnamon roll brain might be why I forgot my password, my PIN, and my entire to-do list?
Exactly. The food, the apps, the little dopamine hits, they keep you broke and distracted. It's like renting your attention to corporations.
I've been paying rent in vibes and caramel drizzle. So what? I'm supposed to live off almonds and air? Y'all trying to make me sad and broke?
Nope. I'm saying treat your energy like an investment. Every time you eat, spend, or scroll, ask yourself, does this build my future or just numb me today?
Does this build my future or just numb me today? Wow, that's a tattoo.
Or a screensaver. Or better, your next grocery list.
Okay. So what's the non-boring way to flip it?
Trade one vice for one vision. Instead of a $9 snack, stash $9 in a freedom fund. By next year, you'll have over $2,000. That's course money, side hustle startup, travel, leverage. And according to Bankrate, 57% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing. But if you skipped one daily treat, you'd pass that mark in 5 months.
So every boba I don't drink is like buying future me a jetpack?
Or a debt-free degree, or a business launch. Same energy.
All right, freedom fund. Every time I skip a sugar bomb, I send $9 to Zoe 2.0. Richer, sharper, maybe even with a six-pack.
Mindset first. Six-pack optional.
But can I still get one treat a week for my mental health?
Absolutely. Just make it intentional. Celebration, not coping mechanism.
Wow, this is beautiful. I came for the drama and left with a budget. Most people don't realize they're giving their future away, $9 at a time. But if you shift the habit, you change the path.
Even among Gen Z, 85% say they want financial security, but over half have no plan to save. This is where it starts. One habit, one decision.
So here's your challenge. For 1 week, skip your most expensive habit and drop that money into your freedom fund.
Your future self will thank you.
And they better have abs. Starts in your head.
Spreads to your pockets.
What's your $9 habit? Drop it in the comments. No judgment. Okay, maybe a little judgment.
Hit subscribe and give your future self something to flex with.